Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am explaining about competitive type of questions IIT and JEE Mains. See, this is 7th class of fractions. First one, equivalent fraction of 36 by 45 with the numerator as 12. So here numerator as 12, 36 by 45 numerator as 12, which is divisible in numerator and denominator. 2, check it 2, here 36 is possible in 2 table, but in 45 it is not possible. Next number 3. 3 is possible in both numerator and denominator. That's why you have to divide numerator and denominator by 3. 12 times here 15 times. So that what is the answer? 12 by 15. Okay. Next one. What is second one? Two fractions between 1 by 2 and 4 by 5 are. Here we have to find 1 by 2 and 4 by 5 between two fractions we have to find. Okay, here we have fraction formula a by b plus c by this is 1 by 2 is a by b and 4 by 5 is b by c by d. Okay, so between numbers means here a by b and c by d, these two are. So now a plus c by b plus d plus c by d. So here a by b means 1 by 2 plus a plus c means 1 plus 4 5 2 b plus d means 2 plus 5 7 and what is c by d plus 4 by 5. Now here we should keep commas, no need. Okay, now you have to one number we find here and another they are asking two fractions. Okay, now one more number means this between number you have to find now. So 1 by 2 and between number means a plus c by b plus d means 6 by 9 and what is the next fraction? 5 by 7 and 4 by 5. Here 3 table is possible in here 3 times, here is 2 times and 3 times, that is 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 and 5 by 7 and 4 by 5. So these two are between fractions. Okay, so 2 by 3 and here what is that? 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. And next one is third one. Third one is sum of three sides of triangle is 16 3 by 5 centimeters. Sum of three sides means perimeter of triangle, that is 16 3 by 5 centimeters. Okay, if two of its sides measure is 5 7 by 10 centimeters and 6 3 by 4 centimeters, means here this is triangle A, B, C. Here one side is given, what is that? 5, 7 by 10 centimeters and 6, 3 by 4 centimeters. Here we don't know, means X. Okay. Now here sum of three sides is given. What is that? 16, 3 by 5. This is converted into improper fraction. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3, 33, 3, 1 5, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 83 by 5 centimeters. Okay, now here two sides is given, third side you have to find. Okay, sum of two sides you have to do and subtract from the sum of three sides, then we will get the third side. So that sum of two sides is 5 7 by 10. 5 is 10 5s are 50, 50 plus 7 57 by 10 plus 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27 by 4. Okay, now here 10 and 4 LCM is 2 table 5 times, so here 2 times, 2 5s are 10 20. So here LCM is 20. 10 table here in 22 times means 2 is multiplied with numerator, 2 7s are 14 1 4 1 and 10 11. Next plus 4 is 5 times, so now 5 is multiplied with numerator, 7 5s are 35, 3 5 2s are 10 13. Okay, now 3 add this, 4 plus 5 9, 1 plus 3 4 2 by 20. Now you have to subtract the sum of two sides. The sum of two sides you have to subtract from the sum of three sides. So that is 83 by 5 minus 249 by 20. Here LCM you have to do. So 5 and 20, 5 table is possible one time and 4 times. Means again 4, 4. Again here also 20 is the LCM. Okay. Now 5 table here 4 times means 4 is multiply with numerator 12, 1, 8 4s are 32, 33. Next minus 1 time 1 is multiply with the numerator same number 29. Now subtract 332 by 249. Subtract this 3. Here 12 means 8. That is equal to 83 by 20. Now divide 20 table here 4 times 80 and 3. What is the mixed fraction here? 4, 3 by 20. Here what is the measure is given in centimeters they measured. So that the answer is 4, 3 by 20 centimeters. Maybe they will give this answer or this answer. Anyone they will give, choose and give correct answer. Okay. Now what is the answer here? 4, 3 by 20. And next one is 4 table. The result obtained after subtracting the sum of 9 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 from the sum of 11 2 by 5 and 7 1 by 3. Here what we should do, sum of these two fractions and sum of these two fractions and subtract from first number and first number from second number. Okay. So what is the here sum of first two fractions? 9 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. That is equal to 36 plus 4, 39 by 4 plus 30 plus 35 by 6. That is equal to 4 and 6 LCM is 2 table 2 times 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is LCM. 4 table here 3 times means 3 is multiply. 9 3s are 27, 2 3 3s are 9, 11 plus 6 table 2 times 2 35s are 70. Now add this 7 plus 0 7, 1 plus 7 8 and 1 by 12. And this is 1. And next one, next sum of two fractions. What are that? 11 2 by 5 plus 7 1 by 2. 7 1 by 3. That is equal to 55 57. 57 by 5 plus 21 plus 1. 22 by 3. That is equal to here what is the LCM? 15 only. 5 table here 3 times means multiply with 3. 3 7s are 21. 2 15. 15 plus 2 17 plus 3 table 5 times again 5 is multiplied 0 1 10 11. That is equal to 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 7 8 and 1 plus 1 2 by 15. Okay, here 2 by 15. Now what they said is subtract the sum of these two fractions from the sum of these two fractions. Means first fraction subtract from the second fraction. Means what is the second fraction here? 281 by 15 minus first fraction 187 by 12. That is equal to here LCM of 15 and 12. 3 table 5 times 4 times. So 5 1 4 again 4 means 15 15 60. So LCM is 60. Okay, 15 in 60 4 times is possible. So 4 is multiplied with numerator 144. Next 4 8s are 32, 3 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11, minus 12 table here 5 times, 5 7s are 35, 3, 40, 43, 4, 1, 5, 5, 9. That is equal to 1124 minus 935. Means subtract 9, 11 means 8, 1. So 189 by 60. In this both 3 table is possible. Check it here. Here 30 times. Here is 6 3 times. 68. 3 table is 20 times. So that 63 by 20. So convert into mixed fraction here. 63 is divided by 20 3 times 60 by 3. So that 3 by 20. What is the answer? 3 by 20 is the answer. Okay. 3 by 20. And coming to next one. Fifth question. How many times, this only no, okay. How many times should 1 by 7 be added to 1 by 7 so that the answer will be 2? What is that 1 by 7? How many times added to 1 by 7? The answer will be 2 they given. Logically you have to think here. Already 1 by 7 added to 1 by 7. How many times you add means the result is 2. Means here numerator. Denominators are equal. Numerators you have to consider. Okay. Here 7 as 7. If here 2 is answer, means 7 times how many times is possible in this numerator? 2 times. Means already they mentioned 2, that's why. So that here 14 is there, means 7 2s are 14. Means how many times we add 7 by 7? 13 times. Already one time is there. Remaining 13 times we add means 14. 14 by 7 means 2. So this is logical thinking only. So here 13 times we add means 2 will come. Okay. And next one, sixth one. 4 by 7 plus 2 by 7 equal to y by 21. Then the value of y is, see, sixth one, 4 by 7 plus 2 by 7 is equal to y by 21. Here numerators equal, at the denominators are equal, at the numerators 6 by 7 equal to y by 21. Now do cross multiplication, that is equal to 7y equal to 21, y equal to 21 by 7. How many times here? Correct only, that is 21. So that here how many times? 3 times. Okay. So what is the value here? 3. 6 by 7. Okay. Y by 21 by cross multiplication. No. Here, sorry, here what is that? 7y. 7y equal to 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So that y equal to 126 by 7 by transposing. Okay, now here do division. 7. 7 here 1 time, 1 7 7, 5 left over, 6, 8 times. So then 56 by 0. Here what is the answer? 18. Okay, here y value is 18. Right? And next one. Seventh question. What is that seventh? X and y are reciprocal of 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. First you have to do this. X and y reciprocal of x is equal to what is the value? 5 by 6 means reciprocal 6 by 5. Next y value reciprocal of y is 3 by 4 means 4 by 3. Okay, what is next condition? If x divided by y of x into y equal to z. Now x divided by y you have to find. X divided by y means x value is 5 by 6. Division sign convert into multiplicative sign, fraction is reciprocal. Directly 3 by 4. 2 table here, 2 times here is 3 times, that is equal to 9 by 5. And next one, x into y value also. This is x divided by y value. Next x into y value is, x value is 6 by 5 into y value 4 by 3. 3 table here 2 times means 8 by 5. This is x into y value. What is given here? X divided by y of x into y equal to z. Okay, then the value of z. Of in the sense into means x divided by y is 9 by 5. Of in the sense into x into y is 8 by 5. Okay, now here, right, no, somewhere it is when somewhere we went wrong. 6 by 5, 3 by 4, 4 by, okay. Next one, x divided by y means 2 table here 3 times 9 by 10. Now here is 9 by 10. Okay, next one, here is 9 by 10, that is equal to 4. 2 table here is 4 times, here is 5 times, that is equal to 9 4s are 36 by 25. So 36 by 25 is the answer. 36 by 25. Okay, and next eighth one. Eighth one, what is that? Observe here, this is BODMAS rule. Okay, 1 plus 1 divided by the set of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay, so simplify this. First BODMAS rule, remove the first bracket, round bracket. Next remove the flower bracket. First don't do regular method. Here this is different. So first we have to do this. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 4. 4 by 3 and remove. Next don't touch this. Here only 1 divided by next 4. Means here division sign convert into multiplication, fraction is reciprocal, means 3 by 4. Okay, next up to here is over. Next 1 plus 3 by 4. Next one is 1 plus 3 by 4, that is equal to 1 4 4 plus 3 by 4 means 7 by 4. Up to here over. Remove this flower bracket. Next one is only 1 divided by 7 by 4. Next one 1 divided by 7 by 4. Here reciprocal, see, 1 into 4 by 7, that is equal to 4 by 7, right? Next 1 plus, now up to here is completed. Next 1 plus 4 by 7, that is equal to 1. 7 7 plus 4 by 7, that is equal to 11 by 7. 11 by 7, maybe these answer are we convert into mixed fraction. 11 by 7 here one time, 7 4. What is the mixed fraction? That is equal to 1 4 by 7. So the answer is here 1 4 by 7. Okay, and next one. Next ninth one. What is the ninth one? A company can repair 1 by 5 kilometers of a road in a day. So one day how many they repaired? 1 day is equal to 1 by 5 kilometers. Convert into improper fraction. 10 or 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 kilometers. And next one, what is given? The number of days it will take to repair 24 3 by 5 kilometers. Here they didn't mention days, but how many kilometers they completed, that is mentioned. Means here they didn't give days. Work is given number of kilometers. 24 3 by 5 kilometers. Convert into mixed fraction. 20 plus 3, 23, 2 left, 10, 12 by 5. Now already here 1 day given means you have to divide with work repaired, means we will get the number of days they will taken. So that here 123 by 5 is divided by 11 by 5. convert into division sign, convert into multiplicative sign, reciprocal fraction. So that 123 by 5 into 5 by 11. 5 cancel, that is equal to 123 by 11. Now do division. 11 table here, 1 time 1 11 11 1 3, again 1 time 11 2, that is equal to 11 2 by 11 is the answer, that is equal to 11 2 by 11. Okay, so that 11 2 by 11 days they taken to repaid 24 3 by 5 kilometers. So here this is, I hope I explained this is very fast, means this is competitive type of examination questions, so that we take small steps, simple steps, and you can do fast. Okay, thank you so much.